Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make 3D in Scratch. So let's just get right into it. You only need one sprite for this, name it 3D, and you should also have one costume. Then in code we're going to make a new block. Let's call it render 3D. And then we're going to say repeat. And then add an input repeat. And X, add an input X. Y, and finally direction and direction. And we need to run this without screen refresh, so the clones will spawn immediately. Now when clicked, we want to run this. And we're going to say repeat 30 times at x0, y0, and in the direction 90. Okay, now we're going to clear all the graphic effects and then hide, because we'll be working with clones. Now go to X, Y, Y, and then point in direction. This lets us input whatever we write in here into what actually happens. Then again we're going to repeat times, and every time we repeat we're going to change our brightness by -2. Of course you can change this if you like. You can also change these. Then you're going to create a clone of myself, and then we're going to change Y by -1, so they don't stack up on each other. Okay, now let's run the project. As you can see, nothing has shown yet because we haven't added the code for the clones yet. So when I start as a clone, we're going to show. Then you can see this really weird effect. The fix to this is to go to back layer, because every time we make a clone, it's automatically going to the front layer and it leads to this weird effect. So this will just fix that right up. Now we want to control it. So forever turn 3 degrees. Now you can leave it at that, but if you want to control it with the arrow keys, then simply do this. So we're going to get our minus block and our times block. And we're going to put our minus block in the first circle of the times block. Then we're going to insert key, right arrow pressed, minus, key, left arrow pressed. And because this will be too slow, we're going to do ×3. So if key right arrow is being pressed, that's 1 minus 0, and that's 1. And if key left arrow is being pressed, it's going to be -1. And if none of them are being pressed, it's going to be 0. And that's going to be run through this to be faster. Now we can clean up our blocks, nice and tidy, and run our project. As you can see, we have this really cool 3D model. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you want to see some Scratch memes, then the link will be on screen now.